Alright everybody, so here's what I did. I messed up. I messed up my third one and I did my fourth one. I finally got the fourth one to go, but it took a little while to get, so I didn't get to put it on the camera. So then I thought I would tell you, since I kind of soldered them together, here's one that I've ruined, but so it doesn't show you what we want to see, so don't pay as much attention to it. But I figured if I pretend like I did 3 and 4, you would know what that is, and I could show you that I just put the back together, put the USB back together again, put a dab of glue in right there. Alright, so then here's this one here that I gotta cut the cable off of because I messed this one up. And what I'm going to do is, so now normally that one goes to pin 1, the red one does. We don't want that one anymore. We need black, we don't need white. Alright, now he powers pin 3 and 4. So green powers pin 3 and 4, and then there's your ground. So if you were to take those and hook those up, I don't think I have the cable here with me. If you hook those up, those would actually give you the power that you need to power up that camera. Yep, sorry I messed up the video, everybody. Alright, sorry I messed up my soldering. I'm just not any good at it. I did get one, but by the time I tested it, I had it all back together again. So, alright, thanks everyone.